check the correctness of given equation using principle of homogeneity. Then what is the meaning of principle of homogeneity? The dimensions of each term in given equation must be same, or dimensions of LHS is equals to dimensions of RHS. This is nothing but principle of homogeneity. Using this concept, we have to check the dimensions of this equation. So now I am going to take x is equals to x naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. What is x here? Basically x is nothing but the displacement. Okay, x is equals to displacement dimensional formula is L. In the same way, what is x naught? X naught is nothing but, this is also displacement but initial displacement. So as we all know, displacement dimensional formula is L. Okay, in the same way, next one is V naught t. What is V naught here? V naught t. V naught is nothing but initial velocity dimensional formula L t power minus 1 and t time dimensional formula is t. Okay, so now t minus t and t get cancelled, so we are getting L is the final dimensional formula for V naught t. Okay, so next one is half a t square. Okay, here half a t square. So remember, half is a pure number. Pure number does not have any dimensional formula. Okay, so then no need to write the dimensional formula for half. There is no dimensional formula for that. So next one is acceleration. What is the dimensional formula for acceleration? L t power minus 2. Correct, no? So now t square is there. So time dimensional formula is t. So power is 2. So t square. T square. Okay, so now t power minus 2 and t square get cancelled. So final dimensional formula is L. Okay, so this is the dimensional formula for half a t square. So observe here, LHS dimensional formula is L and then RHS dimensional formula is each and every terms having L, L, L. So using this we can say each and every terms dimensional formula is same. So we can say, so this equation is dimensionally correct. Okay. Thank you.